Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn 10 lines on plants. So, first line, plants are very important for our environment. Plants are very important for our environment. Second line, plants gives us oxygen to live life. Plants gives us oxygen to live life. Third line, there are various type of plants found on earth. Third line, there are various types of plants found on earth. Fourth line, plants make their food with the help of sunlight. Fifth line, they absorb carbon dioxide from the environment. Sixth line, plants play a vital role in the food chain. Seventh line, many plants give us medicine. Eighth line, we get beautiful flowers from the plants. Ninth line, plants help in reducing pollution and global warming. Plants help in reducing pollution and global warming. Tenth line, we must plant more and more trees. We must plant more and more trees. Thank you.